Alright guys, so we're back here working on this thing right here. So as you guys saw by the video, we got a bunch of good new stuff we're throwing on this bad boy. So we got the head off. I know you guys didn't see any of that because my girlfriend actually lost the she actually lost the SD card. Real quick guys, real quick. She didn't lose it. She found it a week later. 2 weeks? 2 weeks later in her purse after she said it wouldn't be in her purse. So just want to clear the air on that. Anyway, get back to your regularly scheduled program. That had a whole video on it of me removing all this stuff. So that's nice. But yeah, we got a bunch of new stuff going on. We got just literally everything is going to be new. By the title you can see, we have a turbo we're going to be throwing on. You guys will be seeing in a little bit. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw it. We got all our tools and stuff here. And hopefully it'll be done by the end of this month. Hopefully we got a dyno day set up already. And yeah, we got all these tools. Shout out to Snap-on once again. They always support our videos by you know, all these free tools that I absolutely did not spend one dime on. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and get started. Let me go ahead and set you guys up on a tripod here, and then we can get started. Alright guys, so we got turbo, downpipe, I think the exhaust manifold or whatever, and then a bunch of gaskets, PCV valves, everything, all the gaskets we need. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking all this stuff out, and we're gonna go over there, make sure we get all the lines off so we can throw the new lines on. I think I'm gonna throw the downpipe in with the turbo, make it a little easier. I'm not sure if I can do that or not, but if I can, I'm going to just do it. We have an AMS downpipe. We got an AMS downpipe. And then we have a Garrett ATP3576R turbo. That I'll show you guys once we get it out. But let's go ahead and make sure everything's off over there, and then continue with all this. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and, we got the instructions here for this turbo. We're going to pull it out. It's right here. So this is a 3576R turbo, Gen 2. I got it from Matt Performance. Here you go. I got it from Matt Performance for, I think give or take, around $3,000, brand new. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and do the instructions so we can throw back in. It says we need the hard water line. They said they supplied a new one, which is, my guess, this one. So then we're going to torque this down to about, it says here 22 foot-pounds. I usually don't torque my stuff, but since this is a new turbo, I don't want to frick anything up. Shut the snap-on. I'm going to torque this down to 22 foot-pounds. that's torqued. So this is what we're working with here, guys. Working with that. We got that line. We got this hard line. We got this hose that goes like up here or something like that. Alright guys, so I got my brother here helping me out. We got everything set up right here. We went ahead and got the turbo in right here. It's nice and mounted to the block now. The camera's about to die, so I'm going to go ahead and get the downpipe in and then catch up with you guys after that. So we got the turbo in, the downpipe in. We got all that clogged off so nothing goes in there. I have my brother with me, like I said. He's helping clean out the gasket for the head, so it sits nice and flush. And then yeah, progress is being made. What's up guys? So someone's home from work and is already taking pictures. We got, boom, the head, new studs installed. I'll link everything down below. We got the ARP head studs in. We got the turbo in, the downpipe in. Oh, it's time, boys. It's alright guys, so we're back. I don't remember what's the last thing I recorded, but we're out here working stuff. So we got the head on. We got the head on, the exhaust manifold on, the turbo on, and the downpipe down there somewhere. So I don't remember what's the last thing I recorded, but we're about to torque down the head and then tighten down those exhaust manifold bolts that go to the turbo. I got my brother with me again. He's opening up the tripod. And then yeah, we got our tools over here. Shout out to Snap-on, took the bumper off. Shout out to Snap-on for sponsoring every single video of this whole entire channel. Thank you very much. Let me set you guys up on the tripod and then go ahead and torque all this stuff down. Where do I put this? Oh, it's not too old. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, what's going on, guys? So as you guys know, that last two bolts, they suck to get with. So if you see here, I had to grind this bolt down, or my dad did it. He grinded it down, didn't grind it down enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and grind it down a little more, and then hopefully it fits. It fits right here. Look, let me show you guys real quick. See, it's gotta fit right here, and it doesn't. Almost, but not there yet. So let's go ahead and grind this down real quick. What's up, guys? So I'm not in the garage, and it's actually like a week later. So I'm sitting here editing, and we came to a conclusion that we're actually gonna make a whole different video for when the cams go in, because I wasn't really organized when I was recording. I was just recording away. So I'm gonna do what you guys just watched. That's the turbo and part head install. So next video, which should be soon hopefully, will be installing the cams, and then we're just gonna go from there, and hopefully you guys get to see the Evo start up soon, hopefully. So yeah, let's just keep it going like that. Like, subscribe if you're new. We're getting some subscribers, so yeah, catch you guys later.